Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Nubia Flip 5G. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services and then you have to find parental control. Now click on let's do this and then click sign in. Now you have to select Google and here enter your lock screen. And now you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your child password. And then click I agree. Then scroll down and click accept. And now click on supervise. Now click on next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll all the way down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Now click on next. Then click allow. Now you have to scroll down and click next. And then click done. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.